getting directions right, mastering across, along, and through. Hello language learners! Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of English prepositions. Prepositions can sometimes be tricky, but they are incredibly important for communicating clearly and accurately. Specifically, we will focus on 3 prepositions of direction: across, along, and through. Let's crack the code together. To begin, let's clarify what each of these prepositions means. Across. Generally, across refers to moving from one side to another side. For example, she walked across the street. Along usually implies movement in a line or a route. For example, we walked along the beach. Through typically denotes movement from one end to something to the other end. It often refers to moving within something, like a tunnel or a forest. For example, we walked through the park. Remember, context is key when choosing the correct preposition. Let's delve deeper into the usage of across. As mentioned, across signifies movement from one side to the other. It often involves a path that intersects a certain area. Examples: 1. The cat jumped across the wall. 2. I swam across the lake. 3. They ran across the field. Practice exercise. Fill in the blanks with across. 1. He rode blank the river to reach the other side. 2. I walked blank the room to turn off the lights. 3. The kids skipped blank the yard. Next, let's explore the usage of along. Along involves a movement that follows the length or the line of a route. Examples: 1. We strolled along the riverbank. 2. He jogged along the pathway. 3. They drove along the coastline. Practice exercise. Fill in the blanks with along. 1. She hiked blank the trail all day. 2. The family biked blank the canal. 3. The train chugged blank the tracks. Finally, let's examine through. Through indicates a movement from one end to another, often involving a semi-enclosed or enclosed space. Examples: 1. We walked through the tunnel. 2. The car drove through the gate. 3. He made his way through the crowd. Practice exercise. Fill in the blanks with through. 1. We traveled blank the forest to reach the village. 2. The bird flew blank the open window. 3. She dug a hole blank the sand. There you have it, learners. We've looked at the prepositions of direction, across, along, and through, and examined their usage in context. Remember, practice is key when mastering prepositions. I hope this video has helped clarify these tricky English terms for you. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more lessons to boost your English skills. Happy learning!